When it comes to selecting a desk for your gaming setup, there are some expensive options out there. And if you go the cheap route, you get material that's not that great with no features added at all. That's where this box comes in right here. It's from Bestier, and it's only $120 on Amazon right now. It's only 42 inches. However, it offers a plethora of options from lighting and shelves and all that fun stuff. So in this video, we are gonna pop it open. I'm gonna show you the assembly process, and we are going to decide together if this is actually a feasible option for your gaming setup. And of course, you can go to a place like IKEA and get a very simple tabletop for pretty cheap and put some legs on it, but this offers more. You're gonna see the lighting, you're gonna see all the different shelves, and that's not something you can get from a Linmon. Here's a leg. Not looking forward to this. That's what happens though. When you pick a desk that has a lot of built-in features, you can only expect that it's going to take a while to put it together. Of course, the material is just your typical chipboard, particle board, whatever you wanna call it. And it does have a reflective side, which actually looks pretty nice. Now it does come in two different color options. The first one is black pink, not the band, and this one is black red. So as you can see, although it's got that faux carbon fiber look, we have some red accents all the way around. So hey, you know, that is pretty cool. A lot of people love the black and red. I did mention it is 42 inches, which for a lot of people is the perfect size. Someone that's in the market for a desk at this price is most likely putting it in their bedroom. And if that's the case, then 42 inches is probably all you have to spare. Personally, I think that this desk is more targeted towards a younger audience, which isn't a bad thing. I'm just pointing that out. Looking in here, we do have some different hangers. We have a cup holder. So yeah, a lot of little features that are definitely going to be a huge plus if you're, you know, a young bro, summer break, playing some Fortnite. Here's our trusty instructions, which are pretty thick, I'm not gonna lie. Right here we have a plethora of dowels and screws and an actual screwdriver that was popping out. So if you don't have one, that's nice. Something I do recommend, one of these bad boys. Right here I have my electric screwdriver with a little flashlight and a whole bunch of bits. If you're assembling furniture, not just this, get this. By the way, this is what the front of the instructions look like. 42-inch L-shaped gaming desk, and we actually do have a QR code for an assembly video, which is super nice. And as you can see here, I lined up every single piece in alphabetical order, which will definitely make things a little bit easier. Now it's time for the fun to begin. It's the next day. No, it did not take me 24 hours to assemble this desk. However, it did take about an hour and a half, which in my opinion is crazy. It's actually pretty sturdy. I have part of it on the carpet now and the other part not, so that's not gonna help the situation, but it's actually pretty good. I'm surprised with the quality overall. With assembly out of the way, let's talk about build quality. Overall, for 120 bucks, this is actually pretty good. First and foremost, I'm not a huge fan of the black and red. I don't think it looks bad per se, it's just not my preference. So that's something to keep in mind. Again, it's this or pink, so yeah. I'm also not a huge fan of the faux carbon fiber look. Some people like it, I personally don't. It's not that it's bad quality, it's just not my taste. I think they could just go with plain black or white or even a faux wood, and that would be a better option overall. Now down here is where you would put your PC tower or your gaming console or something like that. And that's, you know, nice, simple, straight to the point. It is a little tight, so I will say some PC towers are not going to fit in there. And then you also have to worry about your height clearance. So that is something to keep in mind. And then under here is just wide open, except for that middle bar. So that's nice. Up here is the main desktop. You have some storage space underneath. It's glossy and you can put, you know, I don't know, really anything here. Little gadgets and gizmos and whatever the hell. They call it an L desk. I beg to differ. There's really not much happening over here for it to be considered an L. But still, you have your outlet here with your USB-A, which this is actually the LED lights, and I'm plugging them in directly here. And then you have your Type-C and your 3 AC outlets, which is nice. And this right here allows you to store 2 controllers, which is pretty cool. And then you have your top shelf for your monitor. And underneath it, like I said, your LED lights. This right here is the controller for the LEDs, which yes, it's nice that you don't have a separate remote, you won't lose it, but man, they could have made this thing a little bit nicer. The logo's pretty big, this looks pretty outdated, it's pretty thick, but it's really not the end of the world. I turned off the lights so I could show you the LEDs. Go ahead and hit power. It's pretty cool. I mean, it's still a little overexposed, but you get the idea here. We got some dancing lights. We could cycle through different colors, different things. See, that one's, ooh, so cool, so pretty. And then we go to different modes. We got that. We got the music reactive, sound reactive, I guess you would say. So every time I talk, it just goes. So, you know, if you have an explosion in a video game, it's like, and your whole face lights up and you're like, dude, that's so cool. But yeah, some pretty interesting effects going on here. Personally, I would just leave it on something like this. But it's cool because it's just right where you're sitting. It illuminates your desk a little bit. Definitely a nice vibe enhancer, I guess you would say. On the side here, we have 2 cup holders, which is pretty neat. And they're actually foldable, collapsible, whatever you want to call it. Pretty cool. So yeah, in one of them, you could have your Monster Energy did. In this one, you could have your G Fuel, and you just game for days. And on this side, we have 2 hooks that could be used for headphones and whatever else you see fit. That's a pretty quick overview of what you're working with. I will say you also have this cable coming from the controller and the LEDs that you probably want to like tape up behind here. And then the other cable is how you power it. Now I obviously just have it plugged in here, but you could run it back and hide it and all that fun stuff. It is pretty cool that you can just plug in your controller here and call it a day. And of course we have the plug so that all those things work. It's actually decent length. So yeah, you just run that into the wall, bada bing, bada boom. We have to keep in mind that the target demographic for this desk is primarily teenagers, right? It's cheap, it's a good size, and it has different accessories that are tailored towards people who are gonna spend 12 hours straight playing Minecraft. You just kit this thing out with your 27-inch monitor, you got your PS5, your gaming PC, your keyboard, your mouse, your controllers, you got your Gatorade and whatever else, your piss cup or something, and you just call it a day. You just have a great time, you game, your headphones, your whatever are right here. I've reviewed many desks over the years, and it's been a while since I had a cheap, affordable one sent to me. And I have to say, it's crazy. The quality of things, what you get for your money has gone up significantly. For $120, this is honestly a great deal. And truthfully, I was skeptical. So me saying that is kind of mind-blowing to me because I really thought you weren't gonna get much or really cheap, crappy accessories. This is actually pretty good. I'm not saying that everyone should run out and get it, but if you are a teenager who loves gaming and you need something that's cheap and fits your space, this is what you need to get. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you to Bestier for sending this out my way. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know down in the comment section below. I'm Matt Philly. You're not get out of my face. Have a great day, and I'll catch you on the flippity flop.
Thank you for watching Swashin on YouTube. I hope you enjoyed watching. If not, then fuck you. Please hit subscribe because my channel is dead. Jesus Christ, man, that's just really sad.